Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing good. You must have stayed in best of the hotel, but today's video is all about experience of nature. In today's video, I have come up with one of the best jungle resort in Lonavala, which has luxurious tree houses. So be with me to know more about the resort I'm talking about. In today's video, I will be doing hotel tour of The Machan, most beautiful and one of the best tree house resort in Lonavala, which is 2.5 km from Mumbai and 1.5 km from Pune. The Machan is exclusive eco resort, offers unique tree houses 30 to 45 feet above the forest, spread over 25 acres. If you're looking to escape into nature, then this could be your perfect destination. Let's start with the room tours. This is Starlight Room, a most luxurious room which has 2 rooms, including a cozy hanging room below the main deck of room. Each room has private deck and beautifully designed bathroom with open air shower and a bathtub on a deck. The unique design of roof will give you experience to enjoy sound of rain in monsoon and star and sunlight in a summer and winter. Along with open shower and a bathtub on deck, room also offer private plunge pool. Room is very comfortable for couple as well as family and friends group. This is Sunset Room, which has an amazing uninterrupted view of Western Ghat. Room offers beautiful interior containing main room with a private deck and bathtub. Bathroom is beautifully designed with an open air shower. This room also offers a master bedroom with a private bathroom. Room is very much comfortable for couple as well as friends and family group up to 4 people. This is Heritage Room. The unique architecture and elegant interior and breathtaking view is the highlight of this room. This category of room offers you main deck room which has living room and dining area and a hanging master bedroom. This room is very much comfortable for couple or family friends group up to 6 people. This is The Wood, a cozy, beautiful room on ground base. Offer elegant wooden interior and a private deck and bathroom with a bathtub. This is a preferred room for a couple. The Cabin. Beautiful room on the ground base which has glass wall to enjoy beautiful view from the room. Room also offer private sit out area and a cozy bathroom with a bathtub. This is also preferred room for couple. This is Jungle Machan, offers experience to feel nature very closely. Room is beautifully designed with a private deck and a bathtub on deck under the clear sky to enhance your experience. Bathroom is quite spacious with a shower cubicle. This room is recommended for a couple. However, 4 people can accommodate very comfortably. This is Forest Machan room. Offers an amazing view of Western Ghat. Each rooms offer a private wooden deck overlooking to scenic jungle view and a bathroom with a bathtub and open air shower. Room also offer a loft which has additional king size bed with a private bathroom. Room is comfortable for a couple and a family or a friends group up to 4 people. Now it's time to take yourself close to the nature. You can start your day with yoga to warm up your muscles or cycling to stretch your body. As you are in middle of jungle, you can also enjoy bird watching. My favorite is jungle walk, which is a great experience of forest bathing, and experience a sight, sound and smell of jungle and take yourself very close to the nature. You can also experience sunset in the evening in middle of jungle at the sunset point. Please make a note, you will not get any kind of network at this place. However, you can purchase Wi-Fi packages from the hotel. Resort do not offer liquor and they don't have bar, but you can bring liquor from outside and enjoy at home. Resort also offers spa facility to de-stress and relax your body. After all, dining experience is one which complete your need. Resort offer wonderful open air dining experience. You can also enjoy candlelight dinner or a private bonfire. Resort is little expensive as the rates start with 13,000 to 30,000 depending on room category. But when it's come to experience, it is worth paying it. I have tried my best to cover maximum detail for you. I hope you will like this hotel tour. Please like, share and comment your feedback. Please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed my channel yet. Thank you very much for watching this. Take care, be safe, bye bye.